So guys, as you can see, I've got 3 games right here. MW2, BO1 and BO2. Some legendary games. Anyways, let's check out the versions of these games. So let's open up MW2 right here, which is one of the best COD games. BO2 is first. But anyways, here is the game version, BLES. This is a European ID. So if your game says BLES on it, it means that you have a European ID version of the game. If your game says BLUS on it, it means that this is the American version of the game. So again, BLES is European and BLUS is American. Now, if your game is digital, it's going to be NPUB, NPUB. So let's check out another one of my games. Let's do Black Ops 1, which is also a great game. Again, this is BLES. So this is a European version of the game, of BO1. So since this is European, let's see that I install the American DLC, which is BLUS. It's not going to work because this is a European version of the game. So instead, I need to install the BLES DLC version for Black Ops 1 so I can play the BO1 DLC with this disc. So if you clicked on this video because you wanted to know which DLC you need to install, make sure that it's the same game version ID of the DLC that you want to install for both the disc and the DLC.